Hey guys, welcome to the first video lecture series on MATLAB Simulink. In this video, we are going to talk about Simulink app in the MATLAB. Basically, Simulink is a product of MATLAB which is developed by MathWorks. MATLAB was first introduced in 1984 and Simulink was first time introduced with MATLAB in 2002. Now the question is, what is Simulink? Simulink is a simulation and model-based environment for simulation, modeling and analysis of multi-domain systems in graphical way. Simulink has graphical blocks of physical systems, so one can directly drag and drop the blocks and connect them together to form their own system. And then they can analyze and study the system for improvement and understanding. Now let us explore the Simulink, right? So when you are going to open the Simulink, there are two ways to open it. The first way is, on this home tab, you can click on this icon and Simulink start page will pop up. The another way is, you just write Simulink in the command window and enter. Simulink page will open. Now here you see this open button. A window will pop up and you can open your previous files. Through this section, you can see your recent files, the recent files which you have worked with. Here you can go for your recent projects. Now we'll come to these two tabs. This tab provides us pre-designed templates, so there are a lot of pre-designed templates that you can use easily. By using this button, you can even create your own templates. Now I am going to explore another tab, that is examples. Previously, we have discussed that the Simulink is multi-domain application. Here you can see the examples of all multi-domain applications which you can use for your understanding. If you are a beginner, then these examples are really helpful for you to learn Simulink. Through the search box, you can even search your desired project for your learning. Now we are going to open a new model. So for that, you can click here and you can go for your blank model. This is the menu bar. Each of the menu bar has varieties of settings within it. I am not going to discuss each tab in detail because when you start practicing the Simulink, you will be familiar with the tab by yourself. Now go through with this second bar. From here, you can open your previously created models. The next is to save your current model. We have not yet to save this model, so when you click this thing, it will ask us to save the model. Let me save this model in a wrong way. I write the name of the file, my simulation. And I will save it in any folder in my computer. And this error will pop up. My simulation is not a valid model name. So the problem here is the space between two letters. Remember that you cannot provide space between two letters while saving your project. So I changed the name my_simulation and now save the project. And my project has saved successfully. Now this button is for library browser. When you click it, you can see the graphical blocks of multi-domain. The list of all domains is provided here. You will be familiar with these blocks when you practice here, so don't be worried. Now let me show you how we can import any block to the Simulink model. There are two ways to open it. The first one is just go to the library block, right click on the desired block and click on the add block to model. The second method is just double click and start writing the name of the block. Suppose we want to import the sine wave. So I will write sine wave and press enter. And your sine wave is imported. You can also drag and drop the block. For changing the parameters of the block, you can simply double click on the block and you can do what you want. So this was our first introductory video. Hope you understand well. If you don't understand something, don't be worried. You can ask me anything in the comment box. In upcoming videos, we are going to discuss a lot of things about Simulink. But that's it all for today. See you in a new video with a new tutorial. Until that time, bye bye.